Ahoy, Squid Squad! I'm Jen Person, Developer Relations Engineer. Today, I'm talking about the basics of Squid database collections. Collections in Squid are great because they provide a unified way to interact with data stored in different databases through the Squid Client and backend SDKs. If you use a relational database, a collection refers to a table. If you use a NoSQL database, a collection refers to a document collection. To interface with a Squid collection on the client, get a collection reference. For example, to access a collection called users, you would call squid.collection users. The user type should align to the schema of your database. With this collection reference, you can add and delete documents, update document data, read individual documents, or perform queries. For example, if you wanted to add a new user to that user's collection, you would use the insert method and pass the data. Then you can read this data using the snapshot method. Let's say our user Jane Doe 123 moves and changes their zip code. To make changes to an existing doc, you would use the update method. And if Jane Doe is no longer a user, you can delete the document using the delete method. To learn more about documents, check out the video on the basics of using Squid documents. If you have questions or want to nerd out about Squid, leave a comment here on YouTube or reach out to us on LinkedIn or a Discord server. Thanks for watching.